You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words correctly once and for all. In English, the top word is pronounced denial. Denial. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar, although the Americans sometimes say it as denial as well. So denial or denial. The bottom word is pronounced denied or denied. So relatively similar pronunciation. Denial, denied. Could you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce those? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.